Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you guys for coming back. Today's video is going to be a craft with me session, and we are going to be making these super cute little prize ribbon PASTELOWEEN embellishments. As you guys know, I've been obsessed with incorporating pink into my Halloween crafts, and you guys have been loving them too. So I figured let's make something quick and simple and easy that we can do in no time to send away to our pen pals. And yeah, so let me show you guys what you're gonna need. You're definitely gonna need some crepe paper, any color of your choice. I did all the pastel colors and a black one. You're gonna need some ribbon. You would preferably want a thicker one and then maybe some thin ones so that you can do kind of like a little thing like this. Kind of have the little thin ones coming down the middle and the thick ones coming down like ribbons. So I did prep my little setup here because you guys know that I have to do that. If not, I'm all over the place and my videos will be like 20 minutes long. And I like to make my craft with me's not too long, well, not too short, but not too long either. So yeah, you're gonna need some ephemera pieces just to put on your little rosettes to decorate them. You could do whatever you want. I'm going to be using whatever I have laying around already as far as PASTELOWEEN. I've put together my ribbons. This is what you can do. If you're going to mass produce a bunch of these, you guys, this is the best way to do it. It's kind of like do all your rosettes in one time. Cut all your circles, because I did cut all my circles. I stitched around them because I like that look. These are 2-inch circles where I used my 2-inch punch. I also used some of the pink cheesecloth. You know, I've been using that a ton on my projects. I got some googly eyes, some little chipboard pieces, stickers, and you can put almost anything on your rosette, so that is up to you. And let's build these bad boys so you guys can see how fast and easy this is. I'm going to be making only, I think it's 2, I'm missing a, we're going to be, oh no, here it is. Duh. We're going to be making 6 of them, you guys. So since I have my ribbon already done, this one's already made. All you have to do is, 1, build your little rosette. As you guys know, I make my little rosette. And then you take your 2-inch circle and you want to center it in the middle with hot glue. That's what I use. It's the easiest, the fastest, and it gets the job done. So you place down your 2-inch circle, and then your cheesecloth, I just place that down right there in the center, and then whatever I'm going to place on top, I kind of wanted to show, so because this is kind of big, so I'm going to place my little skeleton at an angle. Let me try to bring you guys a little closer. Sorry if it gets a little shaky. Okay, so we're going to add glue to our little pink skull head. And we're just going to place that down right there. And I think I'm going to end up putting a bow on my skull head just because I like the way that looks. Once you have that done, you're almost halfway done already. That's how fast this is. You grab your little ribbons, which we're going to make one right now to show you guys how easy it is. And you would place your ribbon right underneath. So you would add some glue right there. And then just place your ribbon however how short you want it. You see that? Oh my gosh, you guys, these are so cute. I love them so much. Let me see if I can find my bow. I found these cute little bows just looking through my stuff. I think I'm gonna place it on this side. How cute! You guys, a bow would like transform anything. I will put a bow on anything. And look, you guys, is that not cute? And you can also put let me see, I have I totally need some more. I've been crafting so much, you guys. I went through all my stickers on this sheet. Let's see what we can put. We'll put superstitious maybe. And we can place that. Should we do this one? Maybe like this. I don't know if I like that too much though. I might leave it plain. Nope, I don't think I like it. All right, so we're gonna keep this one like this. I might maybe put an enamel dot right there. But that's the next one. This one I think is going to look so fun, you guys. It's going to be little googly eyes. I need to add another glue stick. Grab your 2-inch circle. Center it right in the middle. Grab your cheesecloth. You can put the little web, the Halloween web. You can use that as well. And then I'm just going to place my little googly eyes in the middle. And we're going to do it just like that. Oh my gosh, you guys, look how cute. Is that not the cutest? Then you grab your ribbon and you place your ribbon right underneath. So let me attach my ribbon. And these will look so cute on bag toppers, you guys. Look at that. I might end up making bag toppers out of these. I love doing that. I like making embellishments and then using them on my bag toppers. On this black one, I thought it would look cute to use a spider. So we're going to place our circle in the middle. And if you guys are wondering what paper I'm using, I'll have the kit down below. For this one, I'm using the Hot Tamale Pastel Halloween paper collection. So I'll definitely have that linked down below. So if you guys want to pick that up, I love her pastel Halloween stuff. I'm using this little spider that used to be a ring and placing that right in the center. So it's kind of like creepy cute. Look at that. And then we're going to add our ribbon. Look how cute, you guys. You can put stickers. You can make them any color. You can make them the orange and black. I've just been really loving the pastel look. Look at this. How cute. I hope you guys make these. And if you do, make sure you tag me because I want to see them. I love seeing when you guys recreate my stuff. Makes me so happy. And then we're going to do the purple one. We're going to add our cheesecloth. And I think this little guy might be a little too big, but we'll put the cheesecloth coming out a little bit from the top. And then just place him there. Should we do that, or should I find something else to put in the middle for that one? We can do a little heart as well. I might do a little web heart and just prop it up on some foam. I think I'm going to do that instead. A cute little web heart. Let me grab some foam. I've been making so many projects, you guys, that I'm like running low on supplies. I totally need to get some more foam tape. I need to get foam dots. But it feels good, you guys. It feels good to use up your stash. Like, I feel like sometimes my stuff just sits around and I don't make anything. So I've been really enjoying. Sorry if I was out of frame. I'm just putting some foam tape on this cute little heart. But it feels really good to use up your supplies because, you know, they've just been sitting around. I add a little extra hot glue just because I like to make sure that nothing moves around, especially if I'm going to send it to someone. And then, being that the heart is a little plain, I might end up putting a little word phrase on this one. So we're going to add the little word phrase just right here for a little added something. And look how cute. And now we'll add a little ribbon. It's a perfect way to use all your stickers, use up your crepe paper, your ribbon. And look at that one. And then the last one that we're going to make, I'm going to show you guys how to make the ribbon. So these are the ones that we made so far. And look, you guys, I have these big old eyeballs that I had gotten from the dollar store. You can make one that's just an eyeball. That'll be creepy cute. I might end up doing one of those as well. Let me see. So this is kind of like a little measurement one that I picked so I can know how much I need. So you grab your little piece. So it's probably like about maybe like 4 inches. So you take your pieces and then you grab your purple and your pink. And you're going to measure the same, almost the same length. Just cut right there. You guys, this can't get any easier. And then you place it together. And you center this one right in the middle. I use my little tiny attacher to kind of put everything together. Oops, and of course it runs out of staples right when I'm gonna use it. Of course you do. Let me see. We're gonna add, a lot of you guys ask me where I get my tiny attacher from. I bought mine maybe 2 years ago, I think, on eBay, and it's the Tim Holtz one. But I think there's another one that I've seen people use, and I think they got it at Target, or not Target, Tuesday Morning, maybe? I think it's Tuesday Morning. So we're gonna just staple that together. And these are tiny little staples, that's why I like them. And then you want to cut your little ends, kind of like at an angle. This one is too long, and this one's too short. There you go. So you cut off all your little, just to make it even how you want it. And we're going to build our rosette now. See how easy that is, you guys? Come on, you guys can do that in no time. Make your rosette. Put your 2-inch little stitch circle there. You could even make these shakers. That would be fun too. I just wanted to make it simple and easy so that people don't think that they need to do or have so many supplies to be able to make cute little embellishments. I want you guys also to know that you don't have to stitch on everything. You don't have to have tons and tons and tons of supplies to be able to make the cute stuff. I want to put this tree here. And this cute little purple bat on one of the branches. So let's see here. Yeah. Oh, it's sticking to my finger. Look at that, you guys. Isn't that super cute? Then you take your ribbon and you place it right on the bottom, and you're done. And that, you guys, took me, well, we're 13 minutes in, but if you guys do it on your own, you will have like 10-15 of them in less than 10-15 minutes. Look at that. And those are our super cute little embellies. And I might end up turning them into bag toppers, so stay tuned for that. I have to figure out which kind of bag topper I'm gonna end up using. But thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching my Craft With Me session, and I will catch you guys on the next video. Bye.